at the same time, you got to be like, hey, did you like how deep into this did you go? Like, why don't
Yeah,
you take a couple stabs at it and then come back to me and tell me what you tried, so that when
right.
we do start collaborating, I don't then start from scratch and start at the
Yeah,
same spot that you did, and then we go through the whole thing again.
yeah,
um, that's massive for for a team, for a project, for prolonged like a prolonged relationship
yeah.
with someone. It's massive to have that communication at least.
And from leveling up perspective too, if you aren't showing how you're thinking about it, then you're not getting the kind of feedback and direction that will make you, that's like the stuff that will unlock you like 10x versus like incremental one thing at a time. Because if, oh, I see you went this way and then you tried this, you were actually on the right track here. You missed one thing. Here's what that one
Yep.
thing was, and here's how to think about it. Otherwise, like you don't know, you guess, and then the takeaway from it for that person is, oh, I have to go do it this other way, and they never actually realized maybe they had a great idea or maybe they were on the right track. And so it's that mentorship piece of learning is very much a like, sh- I hate saying show your work because I was definitely the guy in high school with the math teacher who's like, why didn't you show your work? Like, because I did it in my head. Like, you didn't do it in here. I'm
For
like, I'll
sure.
do it right now. I did it. Like, do I need to explain the whole thing? Like, I can do it now. Right. Like,
Yep.
I had that argument on and on. But I do think like your thought process, especially if you're working async or like remote and everything with people, like showing people what you've done, how you thought about something, what you've tried, like that makes a big difference instead of starting from scratch, which is just pulls everybody into the wrong thing.